as cultural activity hubs to create a venue for the local artists and promote literary discourses. The Rural Art Hub scheme would be extended as rural art and craft hubs to include more art and craft villages. In the wake of the second wave of COVID-19, an online cultural festival will be organized to create a platform for the performance of artists and extend support to them. Electronics and Information Technology Department. The focus of Kerala State IT Mission in 21-22 will be to upgrade the data centers forming the backbone of the IT infrastructure, setting up of an Aadhaar data vault, unified state portal, Center of Excellence for Data Analytics and Artificial Intelligence and implementation of single sign-on. Currently, 2,000 public Wi-Fi hotspots have been set up in the state to provide free internet in public places. This will be expanded K-Phone project with a vision to ensure last mile connectivity to government offices in the state and to provide free high-speed internet to the poor families will be expanded. State Service Delivery Gateway Portal and M-Keralam application will bring e-governance facilities to the common people. Electronic file processing system will be implemented in all the government establishments to ensure timely action and more transparency. By the end of the financial year 2021, Techno Park had built around 10.27 million square feet and Info Park had built around 9 million square feet space for IT industry. 450 and 425 IT companies are established in Techno Park and Info Park respectively, and they provide direct employment opportunities to 1.2 lakh IT staff. My government supported the technology companies operating from the government-owned IT buildings by way of providing 3 months rent waiver schemes and rent-free period scheme in the light of COVID-19 pandemic. Several multinational companies are in the process of functioning and expanding their establishments in IT parks of the state. TCS is expected to start the construction work of TCS Aerospace Hub in the 97 acres allotted at the Techno City campus, Thiruvananthapuram during 2021. Info Park Thrissur with 39 companies is functioning across different verticals and categories and has created over 1,100 employment opportunities in a semi-urban location. Infrastructure build-up of the project Technology Innovation Zone Kalamaseri and Village Knowledge Center Kannur will be commissioned by Kerala State IT Infrastructure Limited. Kalamaseri will become the biggest hardware ecosystem in the country with the launching of TIZ. The Kerala Startup Mission executes major programs such as Youth Entrepreneurship Program and Technology Innovative Project. for the establishment and growth of technology startup ecosystem in Kerala. 3,900 startups, 4 accelerators, 40 incubators, and 280 mini incubators and 30,000 aspiring entrepreneurs have been created so far by Kerala Startup Mission. The ongoing schemes of Kerala Startup Mission will continue in 21-22. K-Wins, a program focused on tapping the capacity of educated unemployed women initiated in 2021, will continue. My government has promulgated an ordinance for restructuring Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Kerala, into a university named the Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology. The university would focus mainly on research, education, outreach programs, and thereby develop itself as a center of excellence in digital technology and allied areas. Maker Village, Kochi, is the country's largest hardware deep technology incubator and is implemented by the Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Kerala, and with Kerala Startup Mission as the partner. The university will be encouraged to reach out to support government in skilling of youth to tap the new age digital jobs. International Center for Free and Open Source Software is working in collaboration with free software organization in India and abroad for the promotion, propagation and application of free software. ICFOSS, designated as the state nodal agency for Malayalam computing, has developed and released 10 software solutions for public use as part of localization of technology and aims to set up a research center to make effective use of Malayalam language in the field of e-governance. The Center for Development of Imaging Technology has been functioning as a technology solution provider in the government sector for more than 3 decades now. In the coming year, CDIT's focus is in strengthening managed security services, augmented reality, virtual reality facilities, augmented reality, augmentation of research and development activities, upgradation of security, document forensic lab, augmentation of video production facility for web channels, augmentation of infrastructure facilities of digital archiving center in CDIT, and the completion of ICT building for CDIT at Tiruvananthapuram. My government is committed to provide all government services online to citizens without any applicant having to visit a government office. The project will be inaugurated on 2nd October 2021, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Environment Department. As per Coastal Regulation Zone Notification 2019, the draft Coastal Zone Management Plan for all the coastal districts was prepared by Kerala Coastal Zone Management Authority and is pending finalization. Under the plan scheme, climate resilient farming, development of a model climate resilient agriculture practice in Munro Island in Kollam district is in progress. In the current year, State Action Plan on Climate Change shall be revised in accordance with the National Action Plan on Climate Change to support the state in responding to global climate change by building capacities for climate change actions, and to make Kerala a climate resilient state through improved climate change governance and services linking climate science, policies and people. Online processing of applications for coastal regulation zone clearance for residential buildings shall also commence by financial year 21-22. Excise Department. The Vimukti vision has been launched by my government to achieve the goal of drug-free Kerala. The Vimukti mission, in collaboration with government hospitals, has set up 14 Vimukti de-addiction centers to provide treatment to persons who got into the habit of drug abuse. Till date, 44,673 people have been treated through these de-addiction centers. A Vimukti Jagrata Samiti will be formed with the ward member or councillor of the respective local self-governments as its convener to trace out the illicit use and consumption of drugs. The Samiti will intimate the Excise Department in case any further follow-up is required on this issue. My government aims to make school and college campuses drug-free. There are currently 5,741 anti-drug clubs functioning at school and college levels. Anti-drug clubs will be extended to all schools, public and private, and the Awakening project will be implemented in selected schools in all districts. Fisheries and Harbour Engineering. The Punargeham project, with an outlay of 2,450 crore for the rehabilitation of 18,685 fisherfolk families residing within 50 miles of high tide line, will be expedited. Inland fish production shall be doubled by focusing on new technologies like biofloc aquaculture systems, recirculatory aquaculture systems, and intensive aquaculture. In the present COVID-19 situation, door-to-door delivery of fresh fish at reasonable price will be promoted. This will be channelized through selected fish marts of Matsya Fed in all districts. Several fishing harbors, including Mutalapodi, Chelanam, Thanur, Koilalendi, Velail, and Manjeshwaram, were commissioned in 2021. Further extensive works of breakwaters at Thanur and Velail fishing harbors and berthing jetties at Bepur and Chombal fishing harbors were completed. The Thalai Chalil Gopalpeta finger jetty in Kannur district is nearing completion.